Hi everyone, this is for a fix for a Kyocera error message add paper in the multi-purpose tray. Basically the machine is saying to input a statement size paper into the manual feed tray because it had misdetected a letter size tray in the document feeder. The other symptom of this would be that your copying would be cut off on one edge and on the top and bottom. So basically what is happening is when you put a landscape size original into the feeder, and you'll see on the bottom of the screen that the original is reading statement size, which is wrong, obviously, and it's misdetecting your letter size paper. So as it feeds in, making a copy, it'll say add paper in the multi-purpose tray. Go ahead and select one of the trays anyway, and basically it's going to put a statement size paper onto a letter size sheet, and that's why it looks like it's cutting off, is because it's thinking that's a statement size 5.5 by 8.5 size paper. There we go. So when in actuality it should be looking like this. So the fix for this is this width guide needs to be cleaned out. There's contact plates on the bottom of this guide. I take a flathead screwdriver, pop the right side tab and the left side tab, pull up this assembly, turn it completely over, and you'll notice a PCB board and a brass colored contact plate. Now there's a lot of dust bunnies, a lot of debris that's in this area, old grease that gets dried up all on this board itself, and that causes the misdetection of the size. So basically I take a nice a full can of air, blow out all the dust and debris all out of the place, and get this completely dust free as much as you can. And then I take anhydrous alcohol, nice clean cloth, and I totally wipe down all the old grease that's on this PCB board, including the dust and debris itself. And of course I take the alcohol and also wipe down the brass colored contact plate itself. With the brass colored contact plate, I also like to pull it a little bit away from the assembly itself, just to provide it a little bit more tension when it's being installed back into its place, its home position. Sometimes I like to use a green scrubber very lightly on the surface of the PCB board. I would kind of resurface that contact area, and of course on the plate itself, not too hard, not too much pressure. You don't want to totally remove that contact plate on the PCB. I give it a nice clean one more time just to make sure dust and debris is cleared from the PCB and the contact plate. And last but not least, I take conductive grease, just a little, not too much. Gently coat that PCB contact area with conductive grease, both on the plate and on the PCB, and I pop it back into place. Give it a few push and pulls, and so now you'll notice that the paper does say letter on the original. And there you go, that's the fix for today. Thanks for watching.